Welcome back, my friends, to your Florida electrician and DIYer. I just received my sunshades from Tesery.com. I have one for my windshield and I have one for my roof window, which should significantly reduce the amount of heat getting into my car, and not to mention make it more private should I want to sleep in there. I want to go ahead and put these in. Again, these are from Tesery. I'm going to put a link in the description, and I'm going to pin a comment with a link to these with a discount code. All right, we're going to spring this one open first out here. There we go. And we're going to put the shiny part outside, reflective part, and the part for the mirror there. And it has a nice little carrying case. This is the first time I'm putting this in, so let me give this a shot. It looks like it goes like this. Let me see. Pull it tight like that. Shove this in here. Wire frame. Let's see how that's gonna work. Yep, that's supposed to be stuck up in there. Oh, perfect. Okay, well, that's better than I thought. That's better than I thought, bro. Guess I could put that down like that. I suppose it wouldn't hurt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna help. I'd like to have that down a little bit so I can see into the car. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, we're gonna try the roof one. Okay guys, I have no idea how to put this one in. Stay. Nope. I can't recommend this. No way. Nope. Okay guys, I was struggling with this, but they send you some clips. Of course, I didn't see it in the bag, and no paperwork for instructions, but on their website it shows where to put the clips. I was struggling. I thought they were just supposed to stay up there without any clips, but there's little clips that slide in. Let me show you. All right, so there's little clips. Like I showed you, there's a place where you can put them. This should make it way easier on the sides, and then when you get them together, should be a clip over there somewhere on the side. Yep, right there. Yeah, let's try it now. All right, a little bit of a learning curve. Let's see if I can get it to stay in now. Yeah, that was driving me insane. All right, so that goes up between the headliner there. Little clip goes up between the headliner right there. I was on the impression it was just a... Look at that, world of difference, huh? Not sure about those corners. If I gotta put clips here. There's 3 more clips, I don't know where they go, they don't show. I'm guessing that goes for these corners here. Yes. Well, let me do the front one. See, now it holds. Crazy. Gotta read the directions. Alright, let's try that again. Go. Alright, now that's better. That was driving me insane. But yeah, I mean, that ain't falling out now, I think. Get it in there correctly now. Way better. Wish I would have said something with the clips, but yeah, that works. I bet you I'll keep it cooler in here, for sure. All right, guys, there we go. With the clips installed. way better. Actually works. And the windshield right there. And we'll see how that does. It's definitely a lot darker in here. So yeah, if you have to park in the sun, this is going to be way better. I was getting angry because I didn't know about the clips. I thought it was form fitting. They just slipped up in there. But there's some clips that go over above the headliner, which actually helps hold them in there. A little bit frustrating because I didn't know about them. And the windshield. So if you want to sleep in here, whatever, it'd be way more private. I'm still gonna eventually get the side windows and basically dark this thing out so we can sleep inside here. I would think these sunshades could easily fold back up and put them under the seat or put them underneath the back storage thing here. Be pretty easy. Most likely I'll probably just rip them down, leave them in the back seat or leave them in the back here so I can put it back up again. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, so it's 91 degrees outside. I just put my windshield shade up, getting ready to go to work. I've had this bad boy up for several days, and I'll tell you what, it's been a lot cooler in here. When I get out of work, yeah, it's warm because it's been sitting in the sun all day, but it takes a lot longer for it to get warm. Yep. That's what it looks like before I go to work. And then the top, you can't see in at all. It's great. All right, I've been using the window visor shade for maybe a month now. And it's so easy to deploy. Only takes probably less than a minute to make sure it's nice. And then inside, I've been using the roof shade, which I haven't taken down. I left it up there. Unless I go on a road trip, I'm gonna leave it there. Really nice.